Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. So today we are going to solve the 5 marks problems on relation and function remaining problems. So let us try to solve the problems on relation function. These are the most important problems for the point of your examination 5 marks. So let us take down here, try to understand the question what is given here. Let R plus be the set of all non-negative real numbers. R plus means what? Set of all non-negative real number means set of positive real numbers. So that the function f defined R plus 2 4 comma infinity defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 4 is invertible. F the function given by f such that R plus 2 4 comma infinity defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 4 is invertible. Also write the inverse of f of x. This question has been asked in the year March 2015, July 2016, March 2018, July 2018 and July 2020. Totally this question has been asked for 5 times in the annual examination. It is a very important problem for the point of your examination. This type of question will appear in the part D for 5 marks, question number 49. Yes, so let us try to solve this one. Let's write the given things. What are the given in the question here? Yes, see here the function is given here f such that R plus 2 what? 4 comma infinity, closed interval and open interval is given 4 to infinity, and a function is defined here f of x is equal to what? X square plus 4. So it is given here. You have to show that it is invertible. To prove it is invertible, first we are go for what? 1 1 or 1 1 or 1 1 or 1 1. Let take two numbers. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to set of R plus. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x here? F of x is what? X square plus 4. If it is x1 means what? X1 square plus 4 is equal to what? X2 square plus 4. Yes, 4 cancel, then x1 square is equal to x2 square. If x1 square is equal to x2 square means what? X1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Once again see here, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R plus. For 1 1 we are taking two numbers that belongs to the what? R plus. Then f of x1 is equal to what? F of x2. F of x1 means what? X1 square plus 4. F of x2 means x2 square plus 4. 4 get cancel. X1 square is equal to what? X2 square. It means x1 is equal to what? X2. If x1 square is equal to what? X2 square, then x1 is equal to what? X2. Therefore f is what? 1 1. Yes. For on to, you have to prove the what? On to now. For on to, yes, for on to, for on to, let y belong, let y belongs to 4 comma infinity. Then y is equal to f of x. Then y is equal to f of x means what? X square plus 4, and x square is equal to what? Y minus 4, X square is equal to what? Y minus 4. X square is equal to Y minus 4. Then X is equal to square root of Y minus 4. It belongs to the what? R plus. It belongs to R plus. Now f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Sorry, x square. F of x is equal to what? X square plus 4. X square plus 4. Put the value of x is what? Root of y minus 4 here. Root of y minus 4 bracket square plus 4. What I did here? I just simply put the what? The value of x. The value of x is what? Y minus 4. Root of y minus 4. Square root get cancelled. What is remaining here? Y minus 4 plus 4. F of x is equal to minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Now f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to y. This is the condition for what? On 2. Therefore f is on 2. Since f is both 1 1 and on 2, therefore f is both 1 1 and on 2, then f is what? Invertible. F is invertible. Hence f inverse exists. F inverse exists. Therefore f of x is equal to y. Then f inverse of y is equal to, transfer f to this side, it will become what? F inverse of y is equal to x. Then f inverse of y, what is the value of x? Root of y minus 4. This completes the what? Your problem. This is the what? Inverse of the function. I hope you got the clear picture about this one. So once again, just have a on 2 condition. How to prove this one? Let y belongs to 4 comma infinity, then y is equal to f of x. Now put the value of f of x here. F of x is what? X square plus 4. Then x square is equal to what? Y minus 4. X is equal to square root of y minus 4. It belongs to the what? R plus. Now take f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Put the value of what? X square. Put the value of x square. Here x square. What is x square here? Put the value of x in the place of x. Root of y minus 4 bracket square. Square root get cancel. Y minus 4 plus 4 remains. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. F of x is equal to what? Y. This is the condition for what? On 2. Therefore f is on 2. Therefore f is both 1 1 and on 2. Then f is what? Invertible. Hence f inverse exists. F of x is equal to y. Then f inverse of y is equal to what? X. Then f inverse of y is equal to what? Root of y minus 4. So this is the what? Solution of the problem. Now next, moving to the what? Next question. Consider the function r plus minus 5 to infinity given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with what? F inverse. Here already f is inverse is given. We have to show the what? Invertible. To show the invertible, first write down the given things here. What are the given things? f such that r plus 2 minus 5 comma infinity, and function is given f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This is the what quadratic equation. So we have to use the what completing the square method. First we have to simplify the equation, that is 9x square. 9 is a perfect square number. It is square of 3. I am writing this one 3x square plus 2 into 3x. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 plus 1 square minus 1 square and minus 5. This method is known as what? Completing the square method. See here, 9x square can be written 3x square. 6x is written in the form of what? 2ab. It is what? A square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square means what? 1 square and minus b square. This method is known as what? Completing the square method. Yes. So what I am doing here, now I am writing this one till up to here, a plus b whole square. That is a means what here? 3x. That is 3x plus 1 whole square. 3x plus 1 whole square. 3x plus 1 whole square. Is it right? A square plus b square. This is what? A square means what here? 3x square plus 2ab means what? 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. The value of b is what here? 1 plus 1 square and minus 1 square. This process is known as what? Method of completing the square. It's minus 5 as it is. 3x plus 1 whole square. This is what? A plus b whole square. A means what here? 3x. B means what here? 1. A plus b whole square minus 1 minus 5. That is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 is what? Minus 6. Now 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. F of x is equal to. This is the what function. Now let us prove the what? 1 1 and on to now. Up to here only the simplification of the function. Now for 1 1. For 1 1. To prove 1 1, let take the two numbers x1 comma x2 belongs to what is the given here function, that is r plus, then r plus, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to what? F of x2, that is 3x1 plus 1 bracket square minus 6 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 bracket square minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, and this is square square cancel. What is remaining here? 3x1 plus 1 square. Write one more step. 3x2 plus 1 bracket square. Now 3x1 plus 1, 3x2 plus 1, 3x1 is equal to what? 3x2 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then x1 is equal to what? X2. 3 3 cancel. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Let us try to understand one more time. What is the condition for 1 1? Let take x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus, then f of x1 is equal to what? F of x2. What is f of x? 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. F of x1 means what? 3x1 plus 1 bracket square minus 6. F of x2 means 3x2 plus 1 bracket square minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 cancel. 3x1 square, 3x1 plus 1 square, 3x2 plus 1 whole square. Then square cancel both the side. 3x1 plus 1, 3x2 plus 1, 1, 1 cancel, 3x1 is equal to what? 3x2, 3, 3 cancel, x1 is equal to what? x2, therefore f is 1, 1. Now for on to, for on to, for on to, let y belongs to 4 to infinity. Let y belongs to the what? Minus 5 to infinity. Minus 5 to infinity. Make it correction here. Minus 5 to infinity. Minus 5 to infinity. Then y is equal to f of x. Then y is equal to what? F of x. Then y is equal to f of x. What is the value of f of x? Then y is equal to 3x plus 1 bracket square minus 6. Now 3x plus 1 bracket square is equal to y plus 6. Now 3x plus 1 is equal to what? Square root of y plus 6. Now 3x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1. Then x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by what? 3. Divided by 3. This is that belongs to the what? R plus. That belongs to R plus. Therefore, now f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 bracket square minus 6. Now 3 plus 1 bracket square minus 6. In the place of this x, write this value of x, that is root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Root square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. In the place of this x, I am writing this value. Bracket square. It is already bracket square is there. Now this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. What is remaining here? Y plus 6 minus 1 plus 1 minus 6. F of x is equal to this plus 6 minus 6 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now f of x is equal to what? Y. Now f of x is equal to what? Y. Therefore, this is the condition for what? Onto. This implies therefore f is onto. F is onto. Therefore, f is both one and onto. F is both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is both 1 and onto. Then f is what? Then f is said to be invertible. Then f is invertible. Invertible. If it is invertible, hence f inverse exists. Hence f inverse exists. Therefore, f of x is equal to what? Y. Then y is f inverse of y is equal to what? X. What is the value of x? This implies f inverse of y is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. This is the what? F inverse of the given function. Yes. Next one, prove that it is also same type, that is what, completing the square method. Prove that function f n to s defined by f of x is equal to what, 4x plus 4x square plus 12x plus 15, where s is the what, the range of the function, is invertible. Also write the inverse of f, March 2016 and March 2017. This question has been asked in the year March 2016 and March 2017. Write the given thing first here. F is given here. Function is given from n to what? S. Yes. And f of x is equal to what? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now again by the what? Completing the square method. 4 is a perfect square number. Write 2x square plus 2ab form. This 12x I am writing in the form of what? 2ab. 2a means what? 2x. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 15. Now f of x is equal to, this is exactly what, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Up to here it will be written in this manner, 2x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square means what, 9 plus 15. 9 plus 15. And f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 bracket square, 15 minus 9 is what, 6 minus 6. So now this is the what, your function after simplifying. Now let us prove the what, 1 1 and on 2 in the same manner as we did in the previous problem. For 1 1, for 1 1, let's take two numbers. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to the what, n. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then f of x1 is equal to what, f of x2. F of x1 means what? What is function here now? 2x. F of x1 means 2x1 plus 3 whole square minus 6. 2x1 plus 3 whole square minus 6. And for f of x2, 2x2 plus 3 bracket square minus 6. Both the side minus 6 is there. Get cancel. Cancel this one, minus 6 and minus 6. Now what is remaining here? 2x1 plus 3 bracket square and 2x2 plus 3 bracket square, square cancel again. Now 2x1 plus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 3, 3 cancel. Now 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Now 2 cancel, x1 is equal to what, x2. x1 is equal to what, x2. Therefore f is 1 1. This is the condition for what? Therefore f is 1 1. So next for on 2, once again have a repeat explanation of this one. Let for 1 1, let x1 comma x2 belongs to the what, n. Then f of x1 is equal to what, f of x2. F of x1 means what, 2x1 plus 3 bracket square minus 6. F of x2 means 2x2 plus 3 bracket square minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 cancel. 2x1 plus 3 whole square, 2x2 plus 3 whole square, square get cancel in the both the side. Now what is remaining? 2x1 plus 3, 2x2 plus 3, again cancel it, 3 3. Now 2x1 is equal to what, 2x2. 2 cancel, therefore x1 is equal to what, x2. So this is the what condition for what, 1 1. Therefore f is what, 1 1. Now let us prove for on 2. For on 2, let y belongs to, let y belongs to the what, yes, y belongs to Yes, then f of x is equal to what? Y. Now, then y is equal to what? F of x. And what is f of x here? Y is equal to f of x means what? 2x plus 3 whole square minus 6. 2x plus 3 whole square minus 6. Now 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to y. Take this y to the left hand side, it will become what? Plus 6. Minus value will become what? Plus 6. Now 2x plus 3 is equal to square root of y plus 6. Now 2x plus 3 is equal to square root of y plus 6 minus 3. Sorry, 2x is equal to now 2x is equal to what? This plus 3 goes to the what? Right side, it will become what? Minus 3. Now solve for x. X is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Minus 3 divided by 2, which belongs to the what? Natural number. So now take f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 bracket square minus 6 minus 6. Now 2 I am writing as it is plus 3 bracket square minus 6. In the place of this x, I am going to write the what? The value of x, that is what? Root of, the value of x is what? Root of y plus 6 minus 3. This plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. Divided by what? 2. This 2 to cancel. Yes. See here, just I have written the what? The value of x, root of y plus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. Root, square and root get cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Y plus 6. This minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 again get cancelled. That is equal to what? Y. Then f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to what? Y. This is the condition for what? Onto. Therefore, f is onto. Therefore, f is both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is both 1 1 and onto. Then f is what? Then f is said to be what? F is invertible. Hence, f inverse exists. Therefore, f of x is equal to what? Y. This implies f inverse of y is equal to what? X. And f inverse of y is equal to x means what? The value of x is what? Root of y plus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Root of y plus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. This completes the what? Solution of the problem. F inverse. I hope you are understanding the explanation and problem. So this is all about the what? These three problems are all very important problem. So in the last video I did the what? Two problems. Still two problems are remaining. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for better learning.